I have been doing this here at Fright Fest for 26 years. This is my second quarter century. When we first started Fright Fest, we were pretty small. We had one haunted house, and we had, I think, 8 or 10 walk-around characters. Now we're up to 7 haunted houses. We've got over 100 walk-around characters. We do about 500 people a night. The fun part for me is seeing the new artists that I have come in and watching them learn a new technique, because even though they're all trained, I'm showing them how to work fast and to create some different looks, and they're all having a lot of fun with it. And then, of course, it's the reaction that we get from the customers. I wish I only worked a month a year. I start prepping this November 1st. Mm-hmm. It takes me most of the year to build all the stock so that I have it ready to go. And I'm also co-running this at the same time, running my business, the Scream Team, which is I sell prosthetics to the general public and to haunted events all over the world. So I'm providing it here, and I'm here in person, but I'm also providing to tons of other places. I'd say the highlights of this year, if you really want to see, this is the first year in 3 years that we have our DC Universe characters back, our clowns in DC. That's kind of what we were known for a long time. So that's a lot of fun. We also have several new mazes and a lot of different new looks. We have a new area called Shadows, which is a bunch of like witches and warlocks and beasts.
I'm going to take it seriously. Look, I'm a clown. No!
Every day is Halloween because I am surrounded by makeup and foam pretty much 24/7. So yeah, by the time I actually get to Halloween, when I should be enjoying myself, I'm usually so tired that all I want to do is sleep for a month. The busiest night here is almost always a Saturday night. When we first start, our very first night is always huge, and then the first few Fridays are a little slower in September until we hit October, and then it becomes crazy. They've got all these overflow parking lots, and even as you leave tonight, you may notice we're probably going to be in overflow parking lot number 5 or something. It's crazy. Saturday nights are the biggest night. Halloween is not usually all that busy. In fact, this year we're not even open on Halloween because Halloween falls on a weeknight. So it kind of depends. When it has fallen on a Saturday, it's been insane. We open the actual event with a big rush out the main doors here behind me at 7 o'clock, and then it's open until about midnight. I think midnight Friday and Saturdays, and 11 o'clock on Sundays. But sometimes it'll stay open until the last person goes through the last line. So sometimes my makeup artists don't get home till like 3 or 4. My first memory of Halloween, my God, I'm thinking, I think if I remember correctly, I grew up in the country up in Oregon, and I didn't know anything about makeup and how this was done. And I remember thinking I was watching one of the old Universal horror movies, and I wanted to be Dracula. So I got some of my mom's makeup, and I paled my face out, and I had a big old toy box that I could fit in. That was my coffin. And so anybody that came trick-or-treating, I would come out of the little toy box. I must have been about 6.
Hi, well, I'm Melena Browning. I went to makeup Designory in Burbank, and I'm here doing the special effects for Fright Fest. This is my second year, my second season. I love it. I'm messy. It's really fun because it kind of it really challenges you to be creative. So like we'll get an outline of what we're supposed to do, and then it's kind of up to us to make it whatever we want it to be. Scott Wren has taught me everything that I know about painting as far. When I came into this, I knew all about prosthetics, but painting was a completely different world. And he taught me how to do layering and textures and using odd objects to do everything. And it honestly helped the world.
Favorite Halloween memory?
Ooh, doing Scringe's makeup. Scringe, love her.
How are you this year?
Oh, hello! It's nice to see you again. Hi. I do good. How is you?
Oh, I'm very good. How's your year been? Where have you been living in the park for a year?
Oh, well, yes. They chased me away from the circus. I ran away from the doctors. The doctors don't tell them, okay? Don't tell them. And I ended up in the circus, the circus. And then they found me at the circus. And then I ran away from the circus. And then I found a sewer. Yeah, you know the sewer? It takes souls, though. Yeah, so I have to live with dead things now. I have to pretend to be dead. So they don't, eat me. It's not fun. I'm blending in with the locals, pretending to be dead.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah. There we go. Hannah,
Yeah.
you didn't tell me about your friend.
Oh my god.
Hi, my name is Lorena Reyes, and I am doing airbrush makeup for this year's Halloween Fright Fest. It's a lot of fun, super, super fun. I'm probably doing like 20 to 30 makeups a night, just a quick, fast zombie makeups in 4 different looks.
How much do you learn by doing that many makeups in a night?
A lot. I have more respect for airbrushing and also for all the special effects and blood it gets to throw on everybody. Scott Ramp is the best. He does amazing makeups. I love his clown makeup, so I'm looking forward to hopefully this year he may be dressed up as a clown. So we'll see.
You went to school at Mad.
Yes.
How much did it help you going to school at Mad to do on the job that you're now doing at Fright Fest?
Oh, I think it's just helped me work out with a career today and just to learn and develop my skills. So I just wouldn't be here if I didn't start with Mud. Happy Halloween, everyone!
Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Enjoy Fright Fest.